loud is really need for diversity and high fiber count. Today on our first cable that is about up and running this week between Sweden and Finland, we have 144 fibers. And in the next ones coming between Stockholm and Copenhagen and down to Germany, we will have more than 500 fibers. And another driver of this dark fiber in high fiber count in our open fiber system is that people can choose their own equipment, also their own ILAs. 5-6 years ago we have never heard of this all glass. Then it was ODFs between our sites, but all our customers now demand that we splice everything. And with these pictures I also want to present that we have to redevelop everything from the cable joints up to the non-existing ODFs in order to handle this fiber, dark fiber in our open environment. And I wanted to explain, instead of the ODFs then, we will have this synteticodf solution that we have developed together with a company called Tykoflex. So instead of having it nice and easy to reconfigure, we need to break up these type of boxes in order to reconfigure.